of like people that want to show too. Yeah. To have some people like to recognize them and other emotions that being in the city like for 43 years. This very amazing park. Here, right now we are now in Union. That's an amazing park, a resting place that you can relax. Very conducive, and the atmosphere here is very nice. You can see that people are resting, having fun, just living cool. Just an interesting and amazing park that you can relax yourself, chill up with free breeze air that around. I really love this place, like being like the very cool, very sensational, conducive environment that you can relax, you feel the air that breeze that around. Yeah, it's very nice park that is Union, that you can come just very close to the metro station, that wherever you work, that you can come around, just have like a breeze. Very special. You can see the environment very conducive. The Dubai Union right here in the metro station around that you get to see this sensational park. Unbelievable, very adorable. Here you can see it around. Very special.